guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can read from the title above, below, or wherever you're reading it, today is going to be a get ready with me hair slash outfit video. Unfortunately, you guys aren't going to be getting the makeup portion of the video today because I did do makeup tutorials in the past, which you guys can watch. I will link them down below. But today is just going to be me putting on my hair. I do have a couple places to go today, so I'm just going to be, you know, judging up my hair because I had it curled for the past 3 days and the curls had dropped. So I'm just going to, you know, revive my curls, and then I'm going to show you guys, you know, my outfit and what I choose and what I wear, okay? But before we get started, if this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Jazlynn Westbrook. Welcome to the channel. If you guys like this video or check out my other ones and like those, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, what the fuck is tea? Like, hey guys, like, welcome back to the channel. So we just about to hop right into it. I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's get into the hair. So I got my wig right here. The curls are kind of dropping, as y'all can tell. I just want to tighten them up a little bit more for the day so they last and don't look like trash, you know? So let me just pop this baby on, and then I'll give you guys the specs of the unit while I'm curling the hair because I know y'all like, you know, to see me talk about some hair. Oh, bitch. She said a side part today. No, we're doing a middle part. Now she's popped on. She does look beachy right now, but it is not uniformed curls, and this part's straight right now. So I'm just gonna pop some curls back into her, revive her a little bit. But honestly, I found my color. Like, the color that fits my skin tone the best is this number 4 brown type of wig. I don't even know if it's a number 4, but yeah, I honestly found my colored hair. Like, I found the color that matches my skin tone that I look the best in, and it is this color. It is like a number 4 brown with some blonde pieces in there to frame my face. I had another wig in the past from RpgShow Wigs that everybody is obsessed with. Like, that is your guys' #1 favorite hair color on me because I always get compliments on it. And you guys always try to buy it off of me, but I'm not selling it because it's my favorite hair color. But this wig right here is from the same company. I just wanted a little bit of a longer wig because you guys know that that wig on my Instagram is shorter, and this goes to like my belly button. A lot of you guys always ask me how I curl my wig, so hopefully this video like gives you an insight on how I like style my hair and like curl it sometimes, because you guys are always like, oh my god, how do you have those like beach waves? And I'm like, girl, it's not that hard. So I'm just gonna be using this Conair curling iron. Now, I used to use wand curlers, but honestly, now that I switched to this and I know how to use it, it is the best thing to curl my hair with to achieve the beach wave look. Because when I would curl my hair with a wand curler, it would just give me the quinceañera curls, and I was just like, no ma'am, no me gusta. So with this, it is a wider barrel, and it's not, you know, ankles, or like it doesn't go to a tip, you know, it doesn't get smaller. So all I'm going to be doing today is just curling the front pieces again because the back is still kind of wavy, and I don't like the back to be too curled. I like it to look kind of like, oh, like I have these curls in for a minute, but I do like the front to be defined and like fine, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna be curling the front pieces, and I just grab a little section of hair and you just go away from your face, and then you wrap around and then twist. Now when you twist, I go all the way to the root like this because it is gonna drop just like any hair. So I want to make sure I have that look of curl, you know what I mean? You know, all day. I go against the root, so when it drops, it still gives me that, you know, curl type feel. And then I drop it, boom, just like that. Just like that, oh my god. Okay, let me do the other pieces. Another thing is I do not mix up the curl patterns. Like, I do not do it one way and then go the other way just to make it look mixed or whatever. I like to have a uniform curl because I know a lot of girls on YouTube do that, and I'm just like, no ma'am, no Pam. Like, it just doesn't give me the look I want. after it's all said and done, because I don't like to curl my hair every day. If I want the curls to be more defined, I just go in and touch up. But I do like how curls look when they're dropped and like kind of cute. Like it's like a messy look. It's like I didn't try to curl my hair, if you know what I mean. It's just like a natural type beach wave. I don't know. I don't know if I want to call it a beach wave, because Lord knows if you go to the beach and you get your hair wet, like your hair will not look like this. I'm sorry. But this is just like a little beach inspired. I don't know. I call it the Kylie Curl. I call it the Kylie Curl because she always curls her hair like really nice, really voluminous. And by all means, I'm not saying like these curls look just like Kylie's, because they don't. But it's just a style name, and like it just gives me the Kylie Curl. Like her curls don't be curled, they don't be quince curls, they just be like bomb curls. I don't know. If you see Kylie snaps, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm still going in and just defining some of the pieces that I see that are not, you know, up to par. And like I said, I'm gonna keep the back pretty much untouched because there is some waves to the back. And I do not curl the end pieces of hair because I do like it to be kind of straightened, not completely straight, but I don't like the curls to be all the way to the tip, if you know what I mean. I need to do the other side, but before we do that, I do want to talk about the unit that I have on, because I know you guys are gonna ask me in the comments below, like, what wig is that? Where'd you get it from? Like, what's the tea on that? And I got this wig from RpgShow Hair. I do have a unit from them already that I had from in the past, and it is my go-to wig. It is my favorite wig. The color is just like perfect. So I did want to pick up a unit that was the same color, but a little bit longer and a different style, because although I love the wig that I did have, I couldn't do too much styles with it because only one bright blonde streak in there, and it was kind of just like a wig that I would only use for like a side part, not a middle part. And this wig right here is my middle part wig, and the color, bitch, this number 4. This is number 4, okay? I need some more. So the wig that I have on right now is a JAHY001 unit, if I'm correct. I'm gonna put it right here and the links will be down below. But this unit, I wish it was called the Jazlynn unit, because I rock this better than any of those girls. The length of this unit is 20 inches, and it is true to size, if not a little bit longer, because it does pass my belly button, and that's not a 20-inch girl, I'm sorry. Now the cap size is number 2, because I did experience with my last wig it being a little bit too small for me and my liking. It just didn't fit how I wanted it to, you know what I mean? So I did go with a number 2, which I'm glad, because that's a medium and it does give me more space for when I, you know, don't braid my hair. I can just pop my hair in a bun and then have it to the back, and there's a little bit more room. So I'm glad that I chose a number 2 as opposed to like a small again, even though the smalls fit kind of snug and like it won't come off. I just want that, you know, room, and I want more hair. So when you do order a medium, you will get more hair because it's a bigger cap. I don't know, that is just something to take when you are ordering your wigs online, because that is something I definitely learned. Now this is a lace front unit, so it is not a full lace. But to be honest, the parting goes all the way back to here, so you are getting a good amount of parting space, so don't even worry about that. So I didn't even have to worry about that. You know, a lot of lace front units, they don't give you a lot of parting space, but this one right here, I can braid it like my other one and it will be perfectly fine. Now the lace color is light brown, but this is a transparent unit. RpgShow is revamping their lace. They now do offer transparent lace units, and honestly, if you do not want to go through the hassle of plucking your wigs, so bleaching the knots and all that stuff, I do recommend buying a transparent unit. It does save you a lot of time, and it's just not a big hassle because everything is done for you, and it literally melts into your skin. Like, you can't see lace at all. Like the lace starts right here. Y'all probably gonna clock it and zoom in. To the general eye, like you cannot see the lace, and that is what you should look for when you are, you know, looking for units, because I didn't do none of this and the parting looks okay. Everybody knows RpgShow typically does run a little bit higher, but you are paying for the quality, you're paying for the customization of the color and all that stuff, because most of their units are, you know, custom colored by professional, you know, hairstylists. Like my last unit that everybody liked was by Anthony Cuts. He like customized it himself and all that stuff, but this one here is not customized by him. It's from a different artist, but you are paying for the quality of the hair, if you guys know what I mean. You're definitely getting your money's worth, and this is a 200 density wig. Like I said, you are getting what you pay for. Now, what comes in the box, like you get your typical RPG show box, and they send you a wig cap. They send two, actually. I have one on right now. And then they always send you these little packages which you can hold your wig in and pop in your closet. And I do love these because, like I said, I love storing my wigs in the boxes, but if I can hang them in my closet, that makes things 10 times better, so I'm not complaining. The last time that I ordered from them, they did send me one of these, but I guess monthly they do have a little magazine issue. Basically, in this little magazine, it is how to take care of your wigs, it's customer reviews, it's the hairstylist talking about like the units itself, and it does show you the hairstylist and all that stuff being made or whatever, and how to put on your wigs, okay, how to pluck your lace, how to braid your hair. So this is definitely helpful for a beginner if you are, you know, shopping on RPG Show. It's good that they send this because, once again, for beginners that don't know too much about wigs or how to finesse wigs, like this is like something like a girl would need. I honestly thought I was gonna have to sew this on because I did get a medium cap size this time, so I was like, ooh, what if it's too big? I might have to sew that on. But quite frankly, I didn't need it, and it stays snug on my head all day. Before we get into the outfit portion of this video, I do want to give you guys the pricing of this unit here that I have on my head right now. Now, like I said, RPG Show is a, you know, more luxury brand. I would say it's more of a popular brand that a lot of influencers use. But like I said, you are paying for quality hair. Now, I don't want y'all to be fooled by what you guys see on YouTube and all that stuff. I'm giving my authentic review. This is my second unit, and honestly, the color and the construction and the feel of this, like, I'm sorry, I have two wigs already from RPG Show, and I don't plan on stopping. I sold one, but it was because it was too short. So the pricing of this unit is $400. Now, I don't know if you guys have to pay for shipping. Like I said, you are paying for the quality of the hair, the customization of the hair, and the color, you know, because you know you can't do this yourself. And if you want to, you can try, but your hair is gonna be dead. And this hair is still super silky and soft, and it is full to the core. I honestly do recommend RPG Show if you guys want a quality wig and it's something that's gonna last and look good. Look at the blending of the fucking colors. Like, I wouldn't be able to do that. I wouldn't be able to ombre it like that. Like, I don't know, I'm just not a hairstylist, so it's y'all personal preference if y'all want to, you know, go out your way to buy a wig instead of customizing it yourself. But if you guys do want to pick up this unit, I will have the link to it down below, as well as RPG Show's website, so you guys can check out the units that they do have. But it is currently 1 o'clock. I gotta be out here by 2:30, so I do need to hurry up and, you know, pick up the pace. Let's get into my outfit. Today's outfit, I'm kind of iffy about it because it is see-through, and I'm black and my nipples are like little chocolate drops, so I'm kind of iffy, but I'm gonna have my hair to the front like this, so I don't think it's gonna show too much. Is this top right here? I got it from Laura's Boutique, I believe. It's just a little crop top. Now, it's low-key cloudy out here today in Vegas, so I'm not gonna be wearing no coochie cutters with this. I am going to be pairing it with some mom jeans. They're high-waisted, you know what I mean, as well as this little belt right here. Now, I did customize these little pants. I cut some holes in it because they were just high-waisted mom jeans, and I was like, no me gusta. And I did add some little rings to the pockets just to, you know, spruce it up. You guys gotta start adding some characters to your clothes so you guys can actually have a full outfit and a look, you know what I mean? I know this is a bummer, but I'm not gonna be changing on camera. I know you guys thought I was gonna do that, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna catch you guys once I put on my outfit and show you guys the final look with the hair and the outfit. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. It is very beachy. It is very, you know, LA girl. I live in Las Vegas, but you know, I'm playing as an LA girl today with my little spooky little long things. These piss me off. They irritate me because they always go up and then I'm like this. All right, so now that I have my outfit on, I have about 1 minute till my Uber gets here. I just need to grab my keys. I need to pack my bag, which has money falling out of it. But if you guys did enjoy this little get ready with me, I know it wasn't a full, you know, makeup, hair, all that stuff. I just wanted to do a little hair and outfit, you know, get ready with me just to test the waters if you guys like that. If you guys did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys would want me to do a whole, you know, makeup, hair, all that stuff. It would be a long video, but I'll do it if you guys want it. So comment down below if you guys would like that. Without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye guys.